Hello, here are some 20 phrases to kickstart your Luo language learning.
Hello, a greeting used when meeting someone. Bear, hello. Greetings can change depending on the time of the day. Oyaore, equivalent to good morning. Say oyaore.
Oyaore. What if it is during the day?
Osaore, good day.
Osaore.
Evening greetings, oimore. That is loosely translated to it's getting dark. Now, as a hint, you can simply repeat the greeting word and then include the word ahinya. Oimore.
Oimore ahinya.
Good. Goodbye, a farewell used when leaving. Oriti.
So what do I say?
Just repeat the word oriti.
Oriti.
Please, a word used when making a request. Ka iye.
Ka iye.
Can you say that again?
Ka iye.
In a sentence, you can say Mia pimodo ka iye. That translates to please help me with drinking water.
Mia pimodo ka iye.
Again.
Mia pimodo ka iye.
Thank you. An expression of gratitude. Erokamano.
Erokamano. Can you give a sentence of that word?
Erokamano kuom tieko tich mane otama cha. That translates to thank you for completing the word that was giving me some difficulty.
Erokamano kuom tieko tich mane otama.
Excuse me. A phrase used when seeking attention or apologizing. Akwayo ng'uono.
Akwayo ng'uono.
Akwayo ng'uono nikech anyono tiendi. That translates to excuse me for stepping on your toes.
Akwayo ng'uono nikech anyono tiendi.
I'm sorry, an expression of remorse or apology. Agoyo mos kuom toyo san e jokon, and that means I am sorry for breaking a plate in the kitchen.
Agoyo mos kuom toyo san e jikon.
Yes, an expression of agreement. A. In a sentence, wabiro kiny gokinyi. To mean, yes, we shall be coming over tomorrow morning.
Wabiro kiny gokinyi.
No, an expression of disagreement. Oyo, mano ok nyalre.
Oyo, mano ok nyalre.
That means, no, that's impossible. My name is a phrase used to introduce oneself. Nyinga en Agena. My name is Agena.
Nyinga en Nikki.
Probably this is the phrase you'll use the most. What is your name? A question used to ask someone their name. Nyingi en nga?
Nyingi en nga?
When I ask Nyingi en nga, you have to respond using the previous phrase. Nyingi en nga?
Nyinga en Nikki.
How are you? A question used to inquire about someone's well-being. How are you? A question used to inquire about someone's well-being. Idi nade.
Idi nade.
I'm fine, thank you. A common response to the question, how are you? Adi maber.
Adi maber.
Good. Where are you from? A question used to ask somebody about their place of origin. Iwuok kanye.
Iwuok kanye.
I'm from, that's a phrase to indicate where you're coming from. Awuok Kenya.
Awuok Kenya.
Good. Do you speak Luo? A question used to ask if someone speaks Luo. Be in kod lony gi dho Luo.
Be in kod lony gi dho Luo.
I don't speak much. A phrase used to indicate that one does not have a lot of proficiency in the language. Ok an kod lony gi dho Luo. Or awacho dho Luo matin ahinya.
Awacho dho Luo matin ahinya.
The other one?
Ok an kod lony gi dho Luo.
Good. Can you repeat that, please? That's a request to have something repeated. Be inyalo nuoyo mano ka iyie.
Be inyalo nuoyo mano ka iyie.
I don't understand. A phrase used to indicate that one does not comprehend something. So you can say, chal kagima ok an kod lony.
Chal kagima an ok kod lony.
Chal kagima ok an kod lony.
Chal kagima ok an kod lony.
Can you help me? A request for assistance. Be inyalo konya.
Be inyalo konya.
Be inyalo konya keto raboloni ewi mesa. Can you help me place this banana on the table?
Be inyalo konya keto raboloni ewi mesa.
Again.
Be inyalo konyo keto raboloni ewi mesa.
Again.
Be inyalo konya keto raboloni ewi mesa.
Can you translate this for me? A request for translation. Be inyalo lokona wechegi.
Be inyalo lokona wechegi.
I hope that you enjoyed the video and now have a rich vocabulary to set you off your learning path. Enjoy the language and make sure to come back for more.
You can find us on all social media platforms as Low English Dictionary. We are always eager to hear from you and will gladly respond to your requests.
Oriti!